Hello friends, today we will learn animal name and their sound. So let's begin. Can you tell sound of cat? Yes, it is meow. Can you tell sound of lion? Yes, it is roar. Can you tell sound of goat? Yes, it is ba. Can you tell sound of dog? Yes, it is bark. Can you tell sound of cow? Yes, it is moo. Can you tell sound of pig? Yes, it is oink. Can you tell sound of camel? Yes, it is grunt. Can you tell sound of hen? Yes, it is cluck. Can you tell sound of duck? Yes, it is quack. Can you tell sound of frog? Yes, it is croak. Can you tell sound of elephant? Yes, it is trumpet. Do you know any other animal and their sound? Please mention in comments. For more educational videos, please like, share and subscribe our channel Educational Videos _Kids. Thank you.